Hi, Ashley. The first thing I want to make sure you understand is you do have to use Firefox. So once you go to Firefox, the next thing we're going to do is go to our Moodle page. I'm going to open this now. Firefox now securely routes your DNS request. Protect you while you browse. Okay, that's just something I had to read. Okay, so now I'm going to Moodle and I'm going to our class. I gotta log in again because I'm not in Chrome anymore. All right, now here's our class, Bio 112. And then I put a sample quiz up here for you because we want to make sure this can work. And I need to be not as an instructor, but as a student. So I'm switching my role to a student. So this will be just exactly like you'll see it. So on the welcome page, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll click sample quiz only for Ashley. And I'll just read everything. It says you have one attempt on the quiz. The quiz has been configured so that students may only attempt it using the Safe Exam browser. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to enable you to take the exam, but you won't be able to go anywhere else on your computer, like to any other sites or, you won't be able to look anything up while you're taking the exam, at least not on your computer. So it's a way to kind of try to prevent cheating as much as possible. This one has a time limit, but it's a time limit of 1 hour, and you're going to see that there's only one question, so it's really not much of a time limit. All right, so then it says the configuration key or browser exam keys could not be validated. Please ensure you are using the Safe Exam browser with correct configuration file. So first thing we have to do is we have to download Safe Exam browser. And you're going to use this one, Safe Exam browser for Windows. Make sure you use it for the Windows that you have. Would you like to save this file? Yes. I'm sorry this might take a few minutes, but I have to show you how to do it. This is what you would do on your computer, as long as you have the Windows version, that it said. You can scroll down and choose a different version if you have a different version of Windows. But it takes a little bit of technology skill, and I'm not that great at this kind of thing myself, but I figured it out before, so I'm hoping I'm doing it right this time. Okay, so it's saying, thank you for downloading Safe Exam browser. Completed. All right, and then I'm thinking that since we've done that, I'm just going to hit refresh. Okay, then I'm going to click Launch Safe Exam Browser. And hopefully it will. Maybe I needed to click download. Let's try that. We already did that. We already saved files, so that would be doing the same thing over again. Well, let's do this. Let's try download configuration. Save file. And then let me see if it's in my downloads. All right, my downloads. Yeah, right there. Okay, there's the setup bundle, and there's the configuration. Oh, that was the problem. Okay. I'm not going to be able to install it on my computer, but you can install it on yours. Mine is set so that I'm not a what you call administrator. So bottom line is this. These are the buttons that you're going to have to kind of play with. And I don't know, I can't remember what students said that they had to do. Download Safe Exam Browser, download configuration, but you're going to kind of have to play with it and see what works. Eventually, you'll click Launch Safe Exam Browser and your exam will pop up, and then the rest will be self-explanatory. So I'm going to let you try this from home and see if you can get it to work on your end, and you let me know how it goes for you, okay? Because if it doesn't go very well, you can also contact our technology support services. They're open. They have a 24-hour, chat that you can do. But before we do that, let's just see if you can do this from your computer, okay?